the husband and wife they use the pump. Without the electricity, they use the hand with the muscle. The rice, and so the one of rice get maybe about at least about 3 to 400 rice grains, and so that when they get the rice, 1/3 never get the rice. But when the farmer they do working, you see, it like this one. It look like the rice, but it get all nutrition of the earth from the rice. So the farmers they have to pick it up. When the every day, can you see over there the wheat? Yes, the white wheat. It eat all nutrition. So every day they go to pick it up. Very hard work. This one with wet rice, and on the side that color here, and yes please, and this one. So this one the wheat, the white wheat. So
Come back with the silkworm, the background, right? Silkworm background, and the main detail is the lotus silk, something like that. Yes, some people over there behind you we have Jew factory. Please give me about 2 more minutes, because, so you can come here. So when you put the EV line here, you can see the width area made of lotus stem. Here. Like that, because they are the original. Yeah, and you can type on directly. You see how to do it.
So of course I believe it because of my telephone number, but I don't want you get problem. We go to see the home by the and not only in the morning, in the afternoon they come by here and they buy the fish. They buy the fresh thing, not like nothing frozen. And I went with the big hotel and big restaurant. They got the canteen. I come up and the waiter come up here. I myself a lot, maybe about uncountable time, maybe 100 times. I came here, not walk like this. And here's the old house. You see the roof. That's the other we call the yin and yang roof. That's the tile. It's got a lot of goat and chili stay in our house to protect our members. So the eyes of our house, you see that the decoration like the house. The old house in Hoi An, you see just no window on the side, just like a tunnel connecting to the river. The river you see in the market, that's the old river. That's the biggest market.
Yeah, because always the back of the house would be to the sea, would be to water. So this would have been built with that in mind, but now there's no water here. It's not one of this. My garden's not much bigger than that. Did you see my elephant? There's a cat up there. If we sat nicely in that.
If you go to the private, to follow the rule how to open the class for the tourists to make your own lantern. They give you the bamboo, and then you prefer the round, the oval, the pear, the apple shape, or the heart shape, whatever. So that when the climate change, we suffer. Yes, and I did in the.
Make that pretty ornate, okay.
To the two community each other, and so the got like the same last time.
어떻게 하는 거야? 야, 어디가 다 쓰는 거야? 타이머. 어디 있어? 타이머 3.2도 있다. 그냥 2로 해. 거기다 불편.
Okay. Anyone there wants you are really interested about guns?
Style of it.
Yeah, no.
With a bit of automation.
I should have paid that.
They're not quite for you, Dad.
Okay. Yes, you can see it. And who do the gardening at home? Please hand up. I want to see. One, two. You do the gardening at home? Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, you do like that.
Quite sandy, isn't it?
Beautiful soil.
Big wood of
Okay.
apple.
Thank you.
Hoe, isn't it? Like
Good job.
they
Good
are
job.
really good tools, aren't they? Hoe?
Like a pig.
And then you put lime on the top. Yeah. You're right.
Just cover it over.
Yeah, cover it over.
Ready for the next crop.
Richard's showing the farmer.
Ah, that's for construction. Oh. Yes, that's a sand they build the house.
And put your compost at the bottom. Roll it over.
It's hot, isn't it, with these things on? They make you sweat, don't they? I don't know why we've got them on.
What you sometimes use is to use the handle as a drill. Then put the handle down, tap it, and then
Temper it.
yeah.
Làm cho nó nhanh. Cho con này nó vào làm mất thời gian lắm. Để về nấu ăn nó nhanh. Chỉ cho chỉ tưới cây thôi.
Making a glaze, isn't it?
Cả trồng chỉ cho nó trồng mấy phát này.
Hang on, is it long enough? Yeah.
We get a few words. Yeah, tamp it down.
My earth is red at home.
We haven't got very good in Yatton and Clevedon, nor Somerset.
I've got a red cliff near me.
Okay.
Soil's not very
That's a good way. And now he brings some spinach or some plants, and someone. Oh, no, everyone come to do it. Organic village, and Python family. We just give the hand to the farmer, local farmers. Yes, this is very good. We are in the beautiful farm, organic farm in outskirts of Hoi An.
Today for us.
Yes,
But do they leave it like for 2 weeks to
yes,
before they put the plant? Can you ask him, please?
yeah. Bác Xưa ơi, nói cái Mr. Xưa, you can do like that. I take picture for you. Okay, you do the circus, acrobatic.
Okay, will you try?
Acrobatic. Who want to try? Who want to do like me? Take picture for Sean.
You got the motion, man.
Keep going.
Oh, you do good job, Sean. Up your face, your face. Oi, trời ơi. Amazing.
We didn't see you do twirling.
You're welcome.
Dạ, đang tính đây anh. Mua Japan, mua around. Remember, not the chopstick mix together, okay? Some beans sprout put into middle. And cover the lid off. We cook about 2 hours. 2 hours later.
Ôi trời ơi. Ôi trời ơi. You make the acrobatic. You make acrobatic. You catch up. Don't drop outside. Don't drop outside. Oh, very good. Ôi trời ơi. You throw to the air. Tina, up. 1, 2, 3. Stronger, stronger. Stronger. Okay. Sean, stronger. Okay, you do it. Okay. Okay, you do it, Kim. Valerie, you do it. Try. 1, 2, 3.